Just wanna see the light.
Hello and welcome everyone. We have already started to make our game, by welcoming the player using debug.log, in the previous lecture. And now we know that, how we can show the output on Unity console. Now it's time to use variable in our code. Let's have a quick look on what is variable and why is it used. In general, variable is like a container or a box, where we put some stuff. And you also labeled the box to remember what is inside that box. So in programming, variables are like a storage container in memory, where we can put some data or values. Since data or values can be of different type, variable will also have their different data types. Maybe we have data of number, or maybe we have data of some text, or maybe we may have both. So each variable are of particular type. Variable has its own name and container data. Let's look an example. Int age equal to 50. In this example, age is a variable name. And it may contain value like 20 years. The data type in the age variable is a number. So in this case, we write int as data type of age variable. And the value of the age is 50, which is assigned by using equal operator. Suppose we have to store a name of the person, then we will use string variable. Because name is made of characters or letters. And more than one characters are strings. Let's see an example. String first name equal to Nilmani. In this case, the name of the variable is first name. The value of the variable first name is Nilmani, and it is not a number. It is a text, and text are a string, so they are written inside a double quotes. So if a data is a text or string, then we will use string as data type before the variable name. Now the next key point is variable name are case sensitive. That means, the variable name age and age with capital letter A are different. We will also use the Boolean variable. That is bool. It store only two values, either true, or false. For example, bool game started equals to false. Here the name of the variable is game started, and it is of Boolean data types, having value false on it. Now let's see how we can log our value of variable in console. You can display the value of variable in console, by just putting the variable name inside debug.log function. If we declare a variable like int age equal to 50, and now supply the variable in debug.log function like this, then the output 50 will display in the console. You can also concatenate or join two string using plus operator. The same output can also be displayed as debug.log age equal to plus age. Here we get output age equal to 50. Challenge time. Create an integer variable, named random number, and assign any value in it. Finally display the value of variable in a console. Pause the video and give that a go. Welcome back. Let's jump back to Visual Studio. Here I will declare a variable name random number with all lowercase. And as spaces are not allowed in variable name, so I am using underscore between these two words. Assign a value like 521. Now I will use debug.log and write a variable name inside the parenthesis bracket. That's it. Save the file, return to Unity. Hit the play button. Fantastic. We got an output of 521. Have you got the same output, or tried different number? At least try using different values, and if you have any difficulties then you can comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and I will meet you in the next lecture.